today's the day we've been looking for like 6 months, basically. This thing's ready to drive. All the little stuff's buttoned up pretty much. She's done, we're test driving it. We fired it up. We've driven it forward and backwards a couple of feet is basically all. Now's the test drive. We're gonna go see if all the steering works, all the brakes work. We'll get them seated in, see if everything's good to go. Today's the day. Test drive time.
Here we go. It's test drive time.
Oh yeah, it's that day. We gotta rattle. The bow in the top rattles.
I'll hold it. Hey, look at that. Speedo even works.
Oh yeah. Go deal with that.
There's no shifting action right this second.
We'll go figure that out.
We'll go loosen the cable.
First test drive.
A little tight.
Little tight.
We got second.
Yeah. Brakes are need to get broke in.
So a little bit of adjustment.
Little adjustment on the detent cable, and then we can go for a proper ride, maybe. All right, we got to do a little detent adjustment here. Looks like there's plenty, but
it doesn't shift.
Hasn't yet.
We got second coming back.
I had to get her up in the R's to get it.
Had to get
shift.
the RPMs wound up a little.
Sounds pretty good.
Okay, that's a little adjustment there.
There you go. All right, here.
We need to order some front brakes. Clunk. Clunk.
All right, one more test drive. Let's see what we got now.
Oh yeah,
that's better. That's what we like.
Fresh air.
Fresh air vent. One more.
Still not right.
No. There's second. On third.
Says we're doing way faster than we are.
We're doing a little fast.
Says we're doing 90 something, 100.
It's there.
Oh shit.
Have to do a little more adjusting, I believe.
It drives okay though.
It drives really good.
There's drive.
There's drive.
We got to adjust that detent a little more.
Little more, but look, she's cruising.
It's got a little driveline vibration.
Not too bad at all.
No, for 50.
Yeah. Golden Nugget's cruising.
Cruise along 50 miles an hour. Drive's actually pretty good. I can't see out of it. My visor and the top of the window seems to be in my way, but
This is Paul's view from here.
that's it. What I can see. Oh, the kick down worked.
Oh, we got kicked down. Smells like new exhaust.
Oh yeah,
I like it.
Burning everything off.
So are you thinking this is a daily driver?
It could be.
I think he's agreeing.
I mean, yeah, it actually, once you fold up and get inside of it, it's not bad. Let's just pop the hood.
Make sure everything's good.
Fans on. Oh, we never fixed that. Oh, we've got a radiator leak. somewhere.
Oh yeah, we're pushing coolant down a little bit.
That's all I could smell.
Alright,
I'll figure that out. The fan's wired backwards.
Oh yeah, it is.
We'll go deal with that.
Let's go fix that.
Alright.
Just a few things, and that ain't bad. That's the smell.
Yep. We'll go unpin that fan. Oh. Unpin the fan and wire it back, and we're good to go. Make the fan blow the right way.
So
Figure out where that coolant came from.
Yeah, we got a fan to fix and a shifter to adjust a little bit, but I think it'll be good. Actually drives a lot better than I thought.
Way better than I expected. We're probably running 60.
Yeah. Adjustments.
3,500 RPMs. It's cruising.
Good temperature.
I'm pretty pleased.
Yeah.
It doesn't dart. Doesn't have bump steer.
Yeah.
Steering wheel's not right straight. We gotta take that off again.
A little bit off. I like it.
Speedometer needs a reducer gear on it.
We don't want Ed getting any speeding tickets.
No. Well, right now he won't. He says I'm doing 140, so.
He'd be in trouble.
You got where 140 in this, you'd know it. I'm just happy to be driving this thing.
Yeah.
It feels pretty good to actually have it on the road.
See all your hard work pay off here?
Yeah, no doubt. There's been a ton of it. We gotta do it.
Steering?
No brakes.
Need to seat them hard. Or just not
We
seat
need to
them.
bleed them again.
Is it?
Goes right to the floor.
Okay. I'll give it a little more. Well, couple items to do.
First test ride, it's not bad. We gotta work on the brakes a little, bleed them up. Switch the fan.
We got a coolant leak.
Coolant leak to deal with. Some rattles and stuff, but all in all, pretty good.
That's pretty good.
First ride, not bad.
Okay.
Oh. That crappy hose you talked about, it's crappy. That's our coolant leak.
Hey, I was debating putting on this orange hose, but I'm not too sure about that orange
Let's
hose.
see what it looks like.
Now we know why.
Grab a pan, Jace.
That's a junky hose right
That is a junky hose.
Junky hose.
So we're not leaking anywhere other than what it was supposed to be doing, cycling between
Yeah.
the two, and the hose blew out.
We're gonna put a hose on this that doesn't leak.
Does it cool down some?
Yeah, it's still a little warm.
It's still hot, in case anyone was wondering.
Hey, I'm back.
See that? You haven't even crashed yet?
No. Put some miles on it.
Putting some miles on.
Miles on it.
I guess I should have listened to you, huh?
Hey, I didn't like that hose. It just didn't look right. And now we know. Well, it looked weird. Now we know why.
It's just rubber. There's nothing inside of it.
Yeah, it's a looker hose. Look at that thing. It is swollen everywhere.
I think we're gonna need to drill a hole in the top of that too.
Give it a vent.
Yep.
He's gonna go make a hole in that. And I'm getting a different hose clamp. That one just broke.
Basically, this system's all sealed up. And it's building pressure, and I don't want it to. I need it to transfer back and forth. So this should do it. That should let a little bit of stuff out.
It's called nitrous.
Water injection. Okay, now we just got to unpin that thing. Swap them. Okay, now it should suck and not blow. That's not empty. Self-leveled.
Good.
Yeah, it's good. Oh, we gotta fix that brake pedal.
Oh, we gotta
cut that off. We ain't getting enough brake travel. Oh, it'll power brake. that timing helped a bunch.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, that timing helped a whole bunch.
Better quit.
Alright, guys. So we've got this sweet Ariel Rider. We've had it actually for a couple months. I've never tried it out. So today's the day.
Might be okay.
What are all these buttons?
Okay, so I think if you push this button,
Holy crap!
this turns her into two-wheel drive, I think.
It's got, look at this. It's got like a sweet little screen on it that tells you how fast you're gonna go. Oh! Stop it! Highway! You don't even have to pedal that hard and it just goes. Going over the brakes.
That thing will smoke us hands down, man.
Put some pedaling for sure. Look at that.
Kid tested, mother approved. Hey Ben, take her for a burn. That Ariel Rider is awesome. If you want to get one of your own, check it out in the description below, right?
Right. Alright, we're gonna go try the kick down and see if Ben got her adjusted properly. Oh yeah, she's got brakes now.
Brakes work.
Oh yeah, kick down's good now. The brakes still are. Never mind, they're good. We just need to get those pads wore in. These are rattling. We gotta fix that. I don't know how fast we're going, but 65 or 70. Yeah, we're rolling right along. Drives like a dream. Temperature's nice and cool. That's almost 4,000 RPMs. She's a ripper. I'm pretty pleased.
Fairly smooth.
Oh, it drives it.
Yeah, I mean,
She cruises down the road, man. We did some good measuring when we put it together.
yeah.
I think we'll get us a Coke. Ride along home.
Sounds good to me.
That's what this thing's for, is going to the store to get a Coke.
That's right. She's cherry.
She's cherry. Let's go get us a Coke. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good one. We should have put cup holders in there.
Yeah, I was just thinking about that. No cup holders. But it's done what we made it for. And it started.
Fired right up.
Away we go.
We're in the chips.
Yeah, we gotta fix that rattle.
Yeah, that rattle.
That rattle's pretty annoying. We've got some downshifting problems here. We're gonna have to deal with that. We thought we were done.
For sure.
We got some kick down problems. We'll go pull the cable apart and see. Won't shift.
Think it's that cable, or do you think it's something with the trans?
I don't know. Starting to wonder. I never drove the Sidekick, so I don't know what. I'm gonna have to call Matt and see what they had going on with it. It's nothing that can't get fixed. Clear over here. We'll float her out a little. I'm happy.
It cruises right along smooth though.
Yeah, for a complete rebuild, pretty minimal bugs. We'll get that trans shifted like it ought to, and we're golden. More importantly, she doesn't run hot, runs good, stays cool.
What? No drinks for me? Man.
We couldn't haul another one.
Oh, that's probably true.
All right, we've had a day of her. The Golden Nugget runs, drives. Got a little more test driving to do. Matt's coming tomorrow to load her up. We'll do a little driving with him so he can get a feel for it, but she's good. I like it. Until tomorrow, we're done. What's that? What is that? Locked up. It's locked up.
Oh,